How to make a countdown on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now click on the avatar icon given at the top left. You'll be directed to profile page. Now scrolling down, you're gonna find this section countdowns. Click on this option, create a new countdown. With that, you'll be directed to this page. First up, type in the title. Then select the friends to whom you want to share this countdown. Click on done. Click on next. Now select the date. Select the time. Click on create. Just with that, you have created a countdown. By following the same steps, you can easily make other countdowns as well. So this is how you can easily make a countdown on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.